Welcome to your home sweet home. This is a fantastic option. It's an attached villa, as you can see. So this is a maintenance-free home that just has a great floor plan, great layout. The kitchen opens up into this beautiful living area. You've got brand new vinyl plank flooring throughout. We have a split bedroom concept, so guest bedrooms to the left, primary suite to the right. And one of the great features that I love so much about this home is this back sunroom that has been completely opened up to the house. It's an addition to this home. These models in this community are screened porches back here. This house has a fully enclosed, incorporated sunroom. So this is really a lovely option. And we're going to start off here showing you the kitchen. So as you can see, there's nice space in this kitchen. The sink overlooks the rest of the living area, so you've got that nice view out those beautiful windows. And it's fully equipped with all of the appliances that you need. We've got a pantry here that's got a light in it, so easy to access all of your cooking items. And then this great French door that leads right back out to the porch. So if you wanted to have a table here, a sitting area, just enjoyment of your front area, that's easy to do and easily accessible from the kitchen. In addition then, we have this door to the right is the one-car garage. So we'll take a peek out there. Epoxy flooring. You can see this is extra deep, so you have plenty of room to park your car, get to your laundry setup here, your utilities with your water heater and your air handler. We've got an attic drop down there for access into the attic for storage. So just the right space. And you'll notice here that these ceilings are vaulted in the main living area, which really gives an extra volume to the space. And then these beautiful solar tubes, if you look up, and those allow you to essentially not have to turn the lights on during the day because they're so bright it feels like there's lights on already. And that's a great energy efficiency feature. This house has the 2 tubes in the living room and then also one other in the guest bathroom, actually in each of the bathrooms. So there are 2 bathrooms on this home. This is the primary suite. It is very spacious. It does have a walk-in closet. Both bedrooms have walk-in closets, so that's wonderful. You can see the new plank flooring there, and also updated windows. And these are tilt windows, so you have the ability for easy cleaning of these windows. The bathroom has the linen closet, and this primary suite is a tub shower combo. The double pane windows also are great for the energy efficiency as well. So then we walk on down to the hallway. This has its own door. So this guest wing actually serves as another suite altogether because you can close that door. You have your own bathroom here. This one's a shower. You see that solar light again. And you've got a nice linen closet here in this hallway. And then a very generous bedroom with, again, a walk-in closet. So really a lot of great features in this house that you generally don't get in smaller homes. So you have maintenance free, it's under 1,500, under 1,400 square feet. So, you know, easy for upkeep as far as the home goes, but just enough space to really enjoy life in Florida and everything that living here has to offer. The other great thing is you've got this manicured small yard area. So this is landscaping that has been done by the homeowner, and it's just beautiful. Feels like a little park. And then you'll notice that every space between these villas is just open common ground. So it just feels like you're in a little park setting, and it's very private, very peaceful. You can sit out here and just enjoy this beautiful weather that we have down here in Florida. So if you're looking for a place to escape to, if you're looking for even just a seasonal retreat, this would be awesome, but also a wonderful full-time residence as well. So whatever you might be thinking as far as your Florida adventures, this is a really great and affordable option. Would love to give you a private tour. We are in Hernando, Florida, so this is central, very easy access to Tampa, Orlando, all of the great amenities nearby. So I would welcome you to call and get some more information. I think this one will get snatched up pretty quickly, so don't wait too long. You can reach myself and my team. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group of eXp Realty, and you can reach us at 352-794-1426. Again, we are RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Look forward to hearing from you.